Greetings. So if you have a Huawei Nova 9 that you want to upgrade to Harmony OS, but you were unsuccessful using My Huawei app because it was telling you you're up to date, even though the region is set to China, here is another way how to do it. First of all, you go to this website. The link is in the description. Here you can find also some MUI versions of ROM for this phone, but the one we need is this one here, Harmony OS. Click the mirror one. You will be redirected to this page, and then choose download. When the download is complete, you go into the archive, where you will find the folder Firmware, and in it the dload folder. Copy only this folder to the root of the USB stick. The stick doesn't have to be formatted, as you can see. Now we take the USB adapter and the stick and connect it to the phone like so. We power off the phone so that we can enter recovery mode. To do this, volume up and power button together. And when the logo shows, release the power button and hold the volume up until we enter recovery mode. This takes a couple of seconds more than we hoped for. Okay, now we're in. Choose update mode and then memory card OTG update, not USB update. And the process will start. Now the upgrade takes around 10 minutes, and then you will be greeted with this. Harmony OS. Downgrade is also possible with this method. Good luck.